Good afternoon, prospective College View Middle School families. My name is Graham Winings, and I am the school director at College View Middle School. I started my career 8 years ago with DSST at Green Valley Ranch Middle School, where I was an assistant principal there. And I served as interim director at our Cole Middle School campus before coming over to the Wolfpack. And I love this community, and I'm excited to share with you what makes DSST College View so special. And I want to introduce Miss Tago. Miss Tago, you're up.
Great. Hi, everyone. My name is Miss Tago. I am the front office manager here at DSST College View Middle School. I've been on the College View campus for about going into my 4th year. So College View Middle School, College View community in whole just holds a very special place in my heart. And so I absolutely love this community, and I think that's one of its best qualities is we're family, really. And so I'm excited to be with you guys here today, and excited to show you what we're all about, and hopefully you'll like what you see, and we can recruit you on to join us next year.
Yeah, so what makes College View Middle School special? We'll let this video speak to that. Ms. Tago, can you pause it? I'm not hearing any sound. Do we need to start this over again?
Shoot.
Sorry.
Do you want to start it over?
I think we need to.
I think they can definitely crop this recording. I think I could even crop this recording.
Okay, fine. We can crop the recording then.
Okay, let's start from the beginning then. Okay. Ready. Actually,
wait, time out. So where are we starting?
We're gonna start from the beginning.
Okay. You're gonna have to present those slides then.
Yes. Or can you not see them? Graham, what in the actual is going on right now? Can you see them now?
Yeah, and go to the video and see if I can hear it.
Hold on. Okay.
In morning meetings, they say, if
Hear it now.
I think something happened when I started this recording, and it kicked me out.
Okay.
Okay. Let's go back. You can still see my presentation.
I can.
Okay. All right, cool.
You ready?
Yes.
Great.
Wait, question.
Yeah.
Do you want to say something after I introduce myself, or do you want us to just roll into the video?
Yeah, good question.
What if we do this? What if you say, welcome to our open house, kick it over to me really quick, and then I can kick it back to you, so then you'll be the one moving us into that video. Does that make sense?
Yes.
Okay. Yes. Okay.
All right. Welcome, College View Middle School prospective families. We are excited to have you in our virtual open house. My name is Graham Winings, and I am the school director at DSST College View Middle School. I've been in education. This is year 11. I was a teacher in St. Louis. I worked with Chicago Public Schools, helping them with curriculum, specifically reading. And then I came to Denver, and I've been an administrator in 3 DSST schools. I started at DSST Green Valley Ranch Middle as an assistant principal, served as an interim director at Cole Middle School, and I'm now so excited to be leading the Wolfpack at College View Middle School. Now I'm going to kick it over to Ms. Tago, our front office manager, to introduce herself.
Awesome. Thank you, Mr. Winings. My name is Ms. Tago. I am the front office manager here at DSST College View Middle School. I have been here on the College View campus now going into my 4th year. I did start off as a front office assistant over at our high school, so I have a ton of experience in both schools and just very excited to be a part of this community. It's one of the things I love most about College View. It's very much a family atmosphere, and we make sure that we know that our kids, our staff, our families, that we're all a very tight-knit group. And so we hope that we're able to really relay that to you guys today. And we're just excited to show you guys kind of what what we're going to be moving into coming up next year. And then really just giving you guys a big picture of what College View is about.
So College View Middle School is a very special place. We are going to show you a video now of some of our students, staff, and families describing what makes us so special.
At morning meetings, they say, if you're by yourself, you're not as strong as like a pack, because like the whole school's a wolf pack. We work together. Your friends will protect you, like the wolves protect your family.
College View to us is a second family.
There aren't many work families where everyone is willing to dive in, all hands on deck, all day, every day, and I experience that every day with our staff members.
So I want you to turn and talk to someone near you to answer these 2 questions. How do you use curiosity in your classes, and how do you use curiosity at home?
There's some amazing teachers in this building. They kind of had a rapport with my daughter that instantly she was like, I gotta get into College View.
DSST College View is a great place for all students to feel included, no matter what their ability level may be. We are connecting with every one of our students. We are teaching them what they need to know to be successful, and also we are teaching them to be kind human beings to each other.
Last year I didn't have a lot of responsibility, but like now that I started in DSST, like I have more responsibility in myself. Like I show more integrity.
They tell them all the time that your voice matters and that you are the reason that change will happen. DSST gives them that voice, and these kids are going to change the world. I can tell you that right now.
DSST's mission is to transform urban public education by eliminating inequities and preparing all kids for success in college in the 21st century. A big part of what we do is prepare our students to be successful in our high schools and then to gain admission to and be successful in four-year colleges. And that is a big part of our success in the past. We have had 100% of our high school graduates accepted into four-year colleges and universities. Another thing that's really central to what we do as DSST and as the Wolfpack is we really center our work with students in 6 core values. You'll see them here: respect, courage, integrity, responsibility, curiosity, and doing your best. And you heard students reference these core values in our video. And we do so much more than just teaching and learning and preparing kids for the academics. We also educate the whole child through our values-based approach. I mentioned this before, and I'll mention it again. 100% of our students since 2008, our start of our network, have been accepted to four-year colleges and universities. And these are some of the best colleges in the world: Notre Dame, Yale, other Ivy League schools, schools in Colorado, like the University of Colorado, Northern Colorado. Many of our students are attending these schools within our state and within our country, and it makes us really proud. DSST runs 6 of the top middle schools in the city of Denver, and you'll see here that we are one of those, and we are very proud of that. And you'll see that we have also 6 of the top 10 high schools in the city of Denver, and we feed directly into DSST College View High School, and every student with us will gain admittance into our high school if they go with us through 6th, 7th, and 8th grade. And so we are so excited to partner with our high school and make sure that all of our students are not only successful in our middle school, but also in our high school. I'll kick it over now to Ms. Tago to share some details about our student schedule.
Great, thank you, Mr. Graham. So we do want to just run through with families what a typical day at DSST College View will look like for students. And so every single morning, students will come in, they will head straight to their advisories, and they will have a morning check and an advisory check-in every morning. And this happens for roughly about half an hour, and then they'll move into the rest of their day. So the rest of the student's day is broken down as seen on this screen. You have 80 minutes of math, 70 minutes of science, 80 minutes of reading, 50 minutes of writing or social studies or Spanish language arts. And then you have electives that also hold students throughout that day. So that's really the breakdown of what a student's schedule will look like during the day here at College View. And so we do want to really let families know about our elective courses, that we have some very interesting, fun electives that our students are able to partake in. And so we have 4 different electives, our first being STEM, second being art, and then third being PE. And so those are the ones displayed here. We did add a new elective course this year particularly. And so our new elective is guitar. And so I was told today that our guitar elective is a year-long commitment. So if your student is interested in guitar and they would like to be in that elective throughout the entire year, they can definitely sign up and we can make sure that they get into that elective come next year. So definitely think about it. If your student is really into music, they would like to partake, we definitely encourage that. And now moving us into some of our athletics and extracurricular things. Athletics, we do provide soccer. We do have girls volleyball. We have co-ed cross country. We have flag football, boys flag football, girls and boys basketball. And then we do have cheerleading. This is something new that was brought to us this year. So we're very excited to be kicking that off with our students. And then here on your screen, everybody loves to hear about the extracurriculars and some of the after-school activities that we have going on here at the school. And displayed on the screen, you can see a full list. We do have robotics club, Gay Straight Alliance, art club, yearbook, bike club, community service, and then super new that's been very exciting for our school is student council. We've had students who have been involved in dances, that they've been involved in all kinds of things. And so really excited to bring this to our students. And we're excited to have our incoming students get really excited about that and hopefully join that student council club. And finally, we really just want to hone in here on the school choice process. This is actually creeping up pretty quickly here. And so our official school choice window will open on January 14th and close February 15th, though it's roughly about a month. The way that Denver Public Schools runs our school choice process is it's a lottery system. And so each family is able to apply to the schools that they want to go to. And so a family will have the chance to choice up to 5 schools, number 1 being your priority or top choice. And these schools are based on priority preferences and then also the student's enrollment zone. And so we have like a list of preferences. And so number 1, if you have a current sibling of an existing student already here, they will get priority into our school. And then as I mentioned, the boundary schools, DSST College View Middle School is considered into the West enrollment zone. And so if your student resides in that enrollment zone, they will also get priority into our school. If you reside in Denver, that's the 3rd priority. And then finally, if you reside outside of Denver, if you're coming out of district, you'll be 4th on that priority list. So definitely making sure that families get on to school choice website and making sure that you guys apply as soon as possible. Of course, because we're a lottery system, it does not, the timeline in which you apply does not affect where you land on if you're accepted or not, but definitely encourage families to get that done sooner rather than later. And so here are a couple of upcoming events that we have going on at our school. And so we're really excited to finally be able to hold in-person events. And so we have a couple of open houses and tours that we will be running. Tuesday, November 16th will be our first official open house and tour. It'll be from 5:30 to 6:30. It'll be in person here at DSST College View. The second opportunity for an open house is on a Saturday. We understand a lot of families are busy throughout the week and might not be able to make it. And so Saturday, December 4th is when we will be having that open house. It's from 11 a.m. to 1 p.m. Please excuse that error on the screen. It's definitely December 4th. And then we will have a live Q&A or virtual option where families can come and get to know us and get to know DSST College U as a whole on December 16th. That is a Thursday, and it'll be during the day, 11 a.m. to 12 p.m. And it is a virtual option. Open house on January 11th, in person, 5:30 to 6:30. And then again, that school choice window will open on the 14th and will close on the 15th of February. And then we are looking to hold a school choice application support event for families. So if you're struggling with filling out your school choice application, we are going to plan a event where you will be able to come to the school and we can help you with all of that application stuff. Here is some of our contact info. We have an Instagram page, Facebook, we have flyer, and we definitely encourage our families to visit our website. We keep some pretty updated things on there. And so our address is also listed here, 3111 West Dartmouth Avenue, Denver, Colorado, 80236. So at this specific location is where all of our open houses will be hosted. And so we just really look forward to seeing you guys. And from me, Ms. Tago, the front office manager, I just want to thank you for taking some time to watch this virtual open house.
Thanks so much, everyone.
Thank you.
We'll see you soon.